Hey guys, welcome back to Javon Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Tales of Zestiria for the PS3. That's right, today we're testing out the RPCS3 emulator on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. As you know, if you're new to the channel by now, literally the whole point of the videos are simply to show you the progress of the emulator. I keep everything on the default settings as I would have just showed you in the config file, and the whole point is just to get the game running. We're trying to test every single PS3 game, Xbox 360 and Nintendo Switch game like that on this channel, if you're new. So if you enjoy anything about emulation and you want to see it running on moderately low end systems compared to what you normally see for this type of emulation, so hit that subscribe button. You'll be shocked at what I can play and what I can't. I test everything. Eventually I'll get around to everything. God of War is only a moment away. Uncharted 2 and 3, well, Uncharted 3 I tested Uncharted 1 and 2. It's always funny to me to see how these games play and perform on the channel. We are running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM. Tales of Zestiria, obviously. The Zestiria franchise isn't hard to run by any means. It was one of the first ones that actually ran 2.
Looks like he beat me this time.
But I like to see the resources of the emulator, how we're using 40% of a CPU right now, which isn't bad. In the 40s for the RX-570 as well. I could upscale this if I wanted to at least 3 times, maybe. And it would have still performed the same. At 60 FPS, it runs way too fast. I don't know, because I don't have the thing on just to make it, you know, what I do with Silent Hill Downpour, I'm not sure, but normally I know that this had a frame cap of 30 on the PC. I remember that. But for whatever reason, if you would like to play this on PS3 rather than on PC, and maybe you wanted the PS3 prompts, it runs without any issue whatsoever. Love it when I get a game to run without any issues. This is playable from the start. The compiling shaders don't matter. They build in really fast. You can play this game from the beginning.
That was too close.
But then again, I remember Tales of Zestiria was even able to play on a potato PC. How can I help you when I can't even help myself? It's using over 4 gigs of RAM though, huh?
Surging currents. Twin flow.
Convenient.
Saray. That didn't go quite how I planned it, but not too shabby.
But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. Once again, if you like seeing any of this type of content, I also test Intel HD games, Intel HD graphics on the latest and newest of games. So if you'd like to see them running on very low-end hardware, leave a comment down below. Cyberpunk, Ghostwire, and Tiny Tina's Wonderlands are coming out. Well, those two are at least are coming out on the 25th. We're going to test those, and it's going to be epic. I'll see you guys next time. Just enjoy the rest of the gameplay. I'm just going to mute myself because obviously the game runs at 30 FPS fine. There's nothing else to talk about here. I'll see you guys in a bit. Just enjoy the game.
Whoa. Oh man, what a drop. It's been nothing but heights all day. But I had an awesome bas relief to distract me. Yeah, I bet you did. Hmm? It looks like someone's lying there. Hey, Mikleo? Hmm? It's a human. It can't be. Stop. We shouldn't involve ourselves with their kind. She's still alive. We can't just leave her there. Fine. I'll give what help I can. Let's take a look around the area first. 'Kay. Ugh, my sword's all sticky. Cobwebs everywhere. I bet no one has set foot in here for some time. What's wrong? Shh. There! It's huge! What is this thing? Quit gawking and get your sword ready. Be gone! No escape! It's over! Yeah! Be gone! It's over! Whoa! Ready? Go! Wait, hold on. It can't be a Hellion? A Hellion? For real? I've never seen one in person before. What could a monster like a Hellion be doing in a place like this? It's getting away! Wait, don't you remember what Gramps told us? Huh? Hellions?
Yeah, they can own so if you every magic.
We can't beat a Hellion without the power of purification. Then we should just be glad we escaped it. And anyway, we have bigger problems. Hmm? We have to hurry and save that girl, before something worse finds her. Weapons ready! Water! Be gone! Strike! It's over! Let's get him! Go! Sweet dreams! Yeah! Be gone! Water! It won't end here! Just managed to fend them off.